Try a fruit and herb cleanse. Why? See, the cause of health issues is obstruction of energy flow. This is blood flow, lymph flow, and nerve flow. Blood flow is what feeds the cells. Lymph flow is what removes waste from the cells, and nerve flow is what allows communication between the cells. When any of these are blocked by mucus and acids, you're going to have an issue, okay? Mucus and acids come about because your kidneys and your lymph system are not working properly. The kidneys filter the lymph system. Lymph system is what removes waste and obstructions from the cells, okay? So when these are blocked, you're going to have issues, okay? Fixed. Go on a lemon only or grape only cleanse, okay? Try a 14-day cleanse and see. Remove the obstructions and smile again, okay? It's very simple. So you go on a lemon only diet, it's lemon water only diet, and use herbs, then FAB3T. This addresses the kidneys, lymph system, and adrenals. Use the FAB5, okay? Combine these, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you do all you can to clean out and heal yourself. For the lemon cleanse, all you need is half a teaspoon of agave, okay? 1 lemon, 1 squeezed lemon right here, okay? Some water to fill the glass, and a dash of cayenne pepper. That's it. Okay, very simple. And you combine them together, and you're good to go. And that's your meal, okay? The half teaspoon of agave, the pinch of cayenne pepper, and water. That's it. And this is your meal. You have this as much as you want, as often as you want, but you replace it with your cooked meals. You have nothing but this as your meals the whole day. You do this for 14 days, 10 to 14 days, and see how you feel. So all we need is a teaspoon, okay, 3 times a day of this tea, FAB3T. These are herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, okay? Now it's crucial because when you have a health issues, you should due to a block of energy flow, which is lymph flow, nerve flow, and blood flow. Lymph flow cleans the cells, blood flow feeds the cells, and nerve flow allows communication between the cells. When any of them are blocked, you have an issue, okay? So we use the herbs to clean and strengthen the cells, and we use fruits to break down the mucus and the metabolic waste that are causing the blockage of energy flow, okay? So a fruit diet and herbs for the kidneys. Right here, you have the best of the best kidney herbs, adrenal herbs, and lymph herbs, okay? The adrenals sit on the kidneys and control the kidneys, and if they don't work properly, well, you won't be able to remove the waste from the body. And if the lymph system is not working properly, you'll not be able to move the waste from your 100 trillion cells through to lymph nodes, through to the kidneys where it's eliminated. So all those 3 organs need to be fixed. So we do that with the FAB3T. It's very simple to make the tea. That's it. You let it sit for 10 minutes, let it sip, and you drink it 3 times a day. In fact, if you want to make it last a bit longer, you can use the same thing twice a day, the same tea, okay? Let's let it sit for a while, and you're good to go. So you have your fruit-only diet with your herbs 3 times a day, and you'll be doing all you can to cleanse the body, okay, of mucus and acids that cause issues for you. So all you gotta do, remember, is stop eating the cooked foods and animal products, replace it with lemon water, okay? I showed you how to do that already. Okay, lemons are inexpensive, very powerful, astringent, high flavonoids, high antioxidants, perfect, almost perfect fruit, okay? Drink this whenever you're hungry, lemon water. Drink your teas 3 times a day, okay? It's very important. The FAB3 teas are crucial when it comes for healing. So teas, lemon water. You do this for 10 to 14 days, okay? And watch how good you feel. In the first few days, you're gonna see a lot of toxins coming out, okay? You might feel iffy, but after a few days, you're gonna be flying with energy, and you're gonna realize the power of fruits and herbs when it comes to taking care of your body.